Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to send high quality photos on Viber. Maybe you have noticed that the photos you send on Viber are not as clear or detailed as you would like them to be. So today I am going to show you how to send high quality photos on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Media. Here, you will find this photo quality option. Simply tap on it. A menu will appear, and here, you'll see different options for photo quality. Choose the highest quality option available. This will ensure that the photos you send through Viber are the best possible quality. In this video, I will choose this excellent quality. Once you've selected the high quality option, any photos that you send will be sent in their original resolution and maintain their sharpness and clarity. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send high quality photos on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to send high quality photos on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.